Most of us have used Dettol at some point in our homes. We use it to clean, to disinfect surfaces, and even wash things because we know it helps kill germs. But have you ever wondered how antiseptic disinfectant like this is actually made? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the ingredients I used and the simple steps I follow to produce this antiseptic disinfectant from start to finish. Before we start mixing, let me show you the ingredients I used. So this is pine oil and chloroxylenol, phenol, texapon, IPA also known as isopropyl alcohol, color, and water. So the first thing you want to do is to get a clean bowl or a clean bucket and stick for stirring, and then you pour in all your IPAs. This is what helps kill germs and make the mixture very effective. So the next thing I'll be going in is my pine oil and chloroxylenol, which we already mixed together. As soon as I pour them in, you can see that the liquid started changing color to light brown. Then you stir and add your phenol next. Stir gently so that everything can be combined together properly. Just like this. Then next thing we want to add is texapon. Texapon makes it smooth and gives it the right consistency that we need. Then stir everything, and once that is done, you mix your color in a separate bowl with water. Dettol is usually brown in color, so I'm using brown color, and this is me stirring it into a separate bowl of water to be added into the bigger bowl for the Dettol mixture. And you can see that everything is dark brown already, so keep stirring. Stir and dissolve all the mixtures together, then you add more water. Add the quantity of water you'll be needing for this, and your Dettol is ready. This can now be used in different ways around the home. It helps reduce germs and bacteria on surfaces, making your floors, bathrooms, and cleaning tools cleaner and safer. After mixing everything, store them in your desired containers for next use. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave it a like, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next DIY tutorial, and leave a comment telling me what household product you would like me to make next. Thanks for watching.